Okay, so let's go ahead and take our beautiful circle petal piece and make it into a square. And to do that, we're going to use Bernat Super Value yarn. And when we are done, you're going to have your beautiful petals that are in a circle, and it's going to become a square with this white around it. So let's go ahead. You're going to take your strand of Bernat Super Value yarn. You're going to join it right in. And you're going to chain 2. And you're going to make 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets all in this first stitch. And that's going to be your first corner. So we're going to do 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets all in that first stitch. Okay? This is your first corner right here. Your chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Now let's continue. And you are going to make a double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then you're going to make 12 single crochets. So a single crochet in the next 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in this next stitch, we're going to make another corner, which is 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, all in the same stitch. So 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Now you've pretty much made one side. Here's one corner, here's another corner. We're going to make 2 more corners. So we're going to continue just as we did before. We're going to make 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 half double crochets, 12 single crochets, now 2 half double crochets, 4 double crochets, and now we're going to do another corner. So 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 double crochets all in one stitch. So we have another side here. Pull out more yarn. Okay. Let's keep going just as we did. 4 double crochets. 2 half double crochets, 12 single crochets, lost count, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Okay, 2 half double crochets, 4 double crochets, 1 and then the corner. Okay, we're on our last edge. Now 4 double crochets, and we're back at the beginning, and we're going to join to the double crochet, not that chain 2. Okay, for the second round in this sequence, we are going to chain 2, and we're going to make a double crochet in the next 2 stitches, which will bring us to our corner. Okay, so now we're in our chain space in our corner, and just as we made the corners in the previous round, we are going to make 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, all in that corner space. Okay? Now, what you're going to want to do, here's a good way to remember it. You're going to make a double crochet in all the double crochets, a half double crochet in all the half double crochets, and a single crochet in all the single crochets. Or you can follow the pattern, which works out as well, which says to do 1 double crochet in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Now a half double crochet in the next 2, which were also my half double crochets from the previous round. And now we're going to do single crochet in the next 12. Now we're going to do 2 half double crochets, 1, 2. Now double crochet in the next 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're back at our corner. So in our corner space, we make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, all in that space. Okay, now let's keep going. 6 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, 12 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 6 double crochets, and you're going to be back at your corner. So let's go ahead and meet me at the end. Okay, so I'm at the end of the second round, and I just want to show you, since we had started with 2 double crochets at the beginning of this round, we're actually going to end with 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. That's a total of 6. So that's why I was saying a good way to look at this is make a double crochet in all of your double crochets, half double crochet in all of your half double crochets, and single crochets in all of your single crochets from the previous round. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and join. Remember, I don't join to the chain 2, I'm joining to that first double crochet. So I'm joining. I'm going to chain 2, and let's go ahead and jump right into the third round. Feel free to kind of stretch this out a little bit. I know your petals want to curl up, they're so pretty, but they should easily kind of stretch and lay flat if you give it a little tug. So for the third round, we're just going to go ahead and make double crochets in all of our first double crochets, which is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're at our corner. Same as before, 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, all in that corner space. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and make 8 double crochets because we have 8 double crochets sitting here from the previous row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yarn got a little tangled. Okay, now we're going to do 2 half double crochets. 12 single crochets, now 2 half double crochets, and 8 double crochets to bring us to the next corner. Now we're at our corner, which is 2 double crochets, a chain of 2, and 2 double crochets all in that corner space. Now go ahead and do just what we did on this side on the remaining sides, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm at the end of round 3, and I just wanted to take note for you guys that you are going to end on 4 double crochets because your round had started with 4, and 4 and 4 is a total of 8, just like the other sides. Okay, join to the top of your first double crochet, chain 2. I'm just going to lay this flat for a second, and I want to show you guys how you can definitely start to see the square now. So in the next rounds, the next 4 rounds, which is rounds 4 through 7, you are only going to do double crochets. So I'll start this, and then you guys can continue until the end. So you are just going to make double crochets in each stitch around, doing your corners just as we had done our corners before. So double crochet in each stitch, When you get to your corners, just as before, you're going to make your 2 double crochets, your chain 2, and 2 more double crochets all in that chain space. Now as we continue around, we're only making double crochets now. This is round 4, rounds 4 through 7, only double crochets. Okay, I've made all double crochets across this side, back at my corner, 2 double crochets, a chain 2, 2 double crochets. Okay, now just as I did here, we're going to finish off this round with all double crochets, and you're going to do that for another 3 rounds, and then your square will be complete. Okay, so there you have it. This is the final square for our Pop Petals blanket. We have 7 rounds in Bernat Super Value. The last 4 are only made of double crochet stitches. And now let's get ready to join each of our squares and create a border.